In today's video I will show you how to insert crystal to the metal base to sew this crystal to the brooch or where needed. Usually these kind of crystals in Preciosa brand they come alone like this without setting, and you have to find where to buy setting as well. Sometimes you can buy them in the same shop where you bought crystals, but sometimes you have to find it in some different shops. Here I have crystal Preciosa in size 10mm to 14mm and matching size of metal setting. Take these two pieces and insert our crystal inside. Then cover it with soft fabric or felt. Take pliers and carefully and slowly, not to scratch our crystal, bend those metal hands to the crystal. As you can see here, I already bent two of them. Now I have left two more. You cover the crystal with fabric, not to scratch our crystal and metal setting. That's it. Now our crystal is inside metal setting and it's ready to be used for your creation.